of laughing because I just took a picture of myself, hit the wrong button. But I want to talk to you a little bit about the Clean Air Green Tour. A lot of people don't know what it is because maybe it's just you haven't had a sustainable message or you're trying to create that sustainable message. But the Clean Air Green Tour has been around since 2007. And this year, we're going to go, or I should say for the next year, 2020, April, we're launching. We've got a lot of big brands coming on already. We have 100% sustainable displays. So all our displays are powered with solar energy, renewable energy. We do use wind a little bit. We have some technology, some proprietary stuff that we use on the road, and we're an experiential marketing company. So we do engagement marketing on the road with sustainable products or a sustainable message. Your brand does not need to quote unquote be a natural or organic product or an electric car or whatever. We've had companies that we've gone in and created, sustainable strategies within the workplace. We worked with Gatlinburg. We've worked with Bosch Tools, Bosch Home Appliances, which are energy efficient appliances. We've worked with a lot of stuff in ethanol with Indy Racing and developing and helping bring that awareness into the Indy Racing League. So don't think that your product has to be sustainable, but we are a full-blown marketing company. Full Motion Marketing is the company that executes and creates and does this turnkey sustainable branding tour for you. And it's 60 plus cities. We're doing urban gardens. We're planting trees. And most of all, we go out and we promote your products and get them in front of the consumers so they can feel, touch, use the product, sample the product, whatever it is. We provide all the brand ambassadors. It's a total turnkey package. This is not like a sponsorship and just your name is on a vehicle or electric vehicle or something. This is a branding engagement tour that goes on from April till August. It's a 5-month green sustainable branding tour. There is nothing like it around the country. We provide the brand ambassadors. Our staff comes to your company like we do with Kimberly-Clark, like we did with Michelin Tires with the Green X brand. We go there, we train with your staff and train our brand ambassadors so that we can be your voice and really resonate your message to the consumers. We've connected with Lowe's. We haven't put our schedule out. We put at cleanairgreentour.com. We have a schedule out there of what we've done in the past, but we build that schedule once we get all our sponsors, quote unquote branding partners, I should say. Once we get them on board, whether it's Nissan, Toyota, or whatever, we talk to them depending on their level of engagement, and we figure out what the best strategy, what those best stops are, what the best cities are, and then we do that message. And we go to New York, we go to all the 50 top DMAs, and then we go to small cities. We go into the communities where, like we've gone into Wisconsin where Kimberly-Clark is based, and we did an event. We did an event with Behr at their facilities in Raleigh, North Carolina. So this is a super incredible, low-cost way to get your stuff in front of people. And typically, once we set the schedule, we partner with these different events. Some of them, like St. Louis Earth Day, the Tulip Festival. These are different things that people requested. And we get in front of thousands and thousands of people. We create millions of impressions online. And so, to measure that, we do measure it. We do case studies. We do SKUs, special SKUs to measure. We did that with Bosch, and we saw their sales go up. We did it with Behr. we saw their sales go up when we rolled into town. So we've got media connections. We have over 250 media networks that we work with that come out. They bring the cameras. We do their morning shows. We talk about the Clean Air Green Tour and the products that are on our tour and do samples. So if you want to be a part of this incredible tour starting in April, we're taking, obviously setting up strategies, building the creative right now. We do custom built displays. We have Airstream trailers that open on all sides. We have solar, we have interactive kiosks. We're doing with the schools this year and the universities, we're doing a live feed, a live interaction feed that your brand can talk to the students. And so you can literally have one of your brand ambassadors talking to consumers, to students. We'll have a big screen TV on the outside of that display. So it can be the speakers and everything so that you can speak to them and engage. That's the key with this year. We're gonna really have some incredible engagement and allow people to interact from all over the world. We're talking to people in Dubai right now, Qatar, and it's really about creating sustainable cities, sustainable brands, and really resonating that message, because a lot of people thought that green was never going to be around for long. And when I did it in 2007, when I started it, they thought I was nuts. But the reality is that we work with sustainable brands around the world in creating that message, and people, the millennials and the Generation Y, the Generation X, they want to support these brands, buy these brands. So it's so important. If you don't have that message, reach out to fullmotionmarketing.com. Reach out to us. We'll help you create that message. And we'd love to see you on the 2020 Clean Air Green Tour.